How to go to El Nido, Palawan. There are 3 options para pumunta ng El Nido, but we opt to get the second option courtesy of Gladex Travel and Tours. Riding a plane to Puerto Princesa Airport muna kasi is the most economical. So first, ride an airplane going to Puerto Princesa, Palawan. The travel time is around 1 hour and 30 minutes. Pagdating namin ng Puerto Princesa Airport, we were welcomed and sumakay kami sa private van namin. Yung land trip is around 5 to 6 hours depende sa traffic and kung ilang stopovers ang gusto ninyo. Dahil private, pwede kayo ng unlimited stopovers pero basically, isa lang yung stopover. And then, sa mismong hotel kami hinatid kasi nga private. It is much simpler pag meron kang travel package. Pero pag wala kang travel package, pagbaba mo ng Puerto Princesa Airport, you have to go diretso doon sa may parking ng mga van and get a van. Yung mga van, nagpupuno sila ha, so you have to wait for other passengers. And apatan siya kada row, so medyo masikip. Travel time's the same, around 5 to 6 hours and strictly, isa lang ang stopover. And then, ibababa niya kayo dun sa terminal sa may bayan ng El Nido. Pagbaba mo ng bayan ng El Nido, you have to take a tricycle papunta sa hotel mo. So that's it! You arrive sa El Nido, Palawan. Enjoy!